Hello everyone, welcome to all. This is Pooja, 5th Sem BCA, Maharani Science College for Women. Here is my topic Prompt and Secure Data Storage and Recovery System. Content Introduction Examples How to secure your data, measures, cloud disaster recovery, RPO and RTO, the objective of DRP. Introduction. Let us see what is Prompt Cloud. Prompt Cloud is leading web data crawling and extraction company serving customer across global with valuable data to suit their business needs. Next, secure data storage. Cloud-based internet security is an outsourced solution for storing data. Instead of saving data on local hard drive, user stores the data on internet connected servers. Data center manage these servers to keep data safe and secure to access. Here are some examples. Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Apple iCloud, Box, Dropbox Business. Google Drive. It is a cloud file storage, synchronization and collaboration platform and service that feature sheets and slides for document editing and presentation. Dropbox is a service for file syncing and sharing. OneDrive. It is from Microsoft, is a cloud storage and file syncing service. Apple iCloud. It is a document management software offering from Apple. It includes feature to access music, photos, calendar, contacts and document etc. Box and Dropbox Business. How to keep your data secure in cloud? Let us see. Use a cloud service that encrypts. The first step in defense against identity thieves is using a cloud service that encrypts your file both in cloud and on your computer. Use strong passwords. Never create password solely with letter. Ensure you use both capital and lowercase letter as well as numbers and symbols. Finally, update your password regularly. Use strong anti-malware program because cloud transfers the information over the internet. It is vital to have strong antivirus and anti-malware protection on your laptop, smartphone, tab, etc. Do not share personal information. Some of your personal information may seem harmless, but it falls into a wrong hand, it could leave your identity unprotected. Do not store sensitive information. Here are some measures to be taken. Making regular backups of files, protecting yourself against virus by running antivirus softwares, use a system password so that the access of data will be restricted, always log out after your usage, avoid accidental deletion of files by write protecting disk. Keep data secure by log out after use, save file storage, password, authorized personnel, antivirus, backup files. Next topic is cloud disaster recovery. A service that enables backups and recoveries of remote machines on cloud-based platform. Cloud disaster recovery primarily an infrastructure as a service that backups designated system data on remote offsite cloud server. It is also known as Cloud DR or Cloud DRP. DRP is nothing but disaster recovery plan. RPO and RTO. RPO Recovery Point Objective, the maximum acceptable age of the data that can be restored and the version of data loss. RTO Recovery Time Objective, the maximum acceptable length of the time required for organization to recover lost data and get back up and running. Here are some difference between RPO and RTO. RPO measures how frequently you take backups. RTO, the amount of downtime a business can tolerate. The next topic is the objective of DRP. Disaster Recovery Plan is to provide for reception of all critical IT service within a stated period of time following the declaration of disaster. Protect and maintain currency of vital records. Select a site or vendors that capable of supporting the requirements of critical application workload. Provide a provisions for restoration of all IT service when possible. Thank you. Happy learning.